literally a couple of dozen different wheel arrangements that were produced. In this case, like why you would want a 210-0 instead of a 280 is in number 90's case, the railroad that purchased this engine had relatively light 26 years into the future. There you have a 484 locomotive, 4 lead wheels, 8 drive wheels, and then 4 wheels on the trailing truck. And you get a day where it's like only 2 or 3 trips the day before you can get to there. We sub out the castings with all the machine work, all the French machine